Hello, everyone. Today we are going to the hot topic, ChatGPT. We of course know it's a very powerful tool and can do a lot of things. And I will probably do a bit of, especially on coding. I'll do a bit of ChatGPT coding series in the future videos. But for now, I want to talk about what it cannot do or it's pretty bad at. I think it's very bad at math, actually. So here, let's do a example, which I actually got this question from one of the forums. In Python, y 10 mod 10 divided by 3, which is like 3.33. So you would imagine 10 divided by 3.33 is 3. But in Python, it turns out to be 2. Before it's actually getting even more stupid answers, I try to correct the ChatGPT. So in this version, it's getting a little bit better. So it will give you a somehow correct answer. Okay, it is being confused now. In Python, performs integer division, which is correct. And in the expression, the parentheses indicate the division will be performed first, which result in the float value, which is 3.33, but because the precision of float values is actually a little bit higher than 3.33 infinite. That is actually why when you use 10 divide mod by this number, it will become a number slightly less than 3, and it will become like 2.9. So the mod result will be 2, which is right. But now it just give you random numbers. It just doesn't make sense. Okay, so it says the result is 3, but the actual result is 2. Again, this is completely incorrect. What is the result? You can point out its logic flaws of running down 3. Okay. Then why you say it's 2 in your previous answer? I apologize for the mistake. Okay, you can see basically it couldn't pass the logic error, so it just don't understand how this works. So let's ask it again. What is the result of 10 mod 10? Okay, let's say, but is incorrect. Mm, so that's also incorrect. And mod 3 would be 3. So what is the result of 10 mod 10 divided by 3? So at this point, it basically just trying to go with whatever you tell it. Yeah, basically it goes in circles. Actually I tried this before. It's getting even more weird. I don't know actually why. Okay, so I ask exact same question here, right, in Python. Why is that? So the second time actually it returns some sort of, it's kind of closer to the next step, but still not correct. But previously it was trying to get this 2.66 number, which just doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, let's try this question then. What is the result of 10 divided by um, I think it is wrong. Result of divided by 3.35 then. Okay, now let's go back. Why? Okay, so this is I kind of give it the answer here already. So now the only conclusion we can have basically is ChatGPT is bad at math. It just couldn't do the parentheses and do one operation, another operation. Yeah, I'll give it a last try. Try to do it step by step and use the result of each step as input of next step in the math operations. First division is 3.5. Okay. And the okay, step two is wrong, and the step three is wrong, are wrong. Yeah, okay. I think I'll finally get you can see that it just randomly give you different answers and it doesn't really know what's going on. But fortunately, we have Python compilers, and we can actually get the results easy. Easy peasy. Okay, so yeah, you can see ChatGPT can be quite wrong. The problem is the way it's talking is so confident, could be quite convincing if you don't know the answer. So use ChatGPT with some cautious. Yeah, that's all of it. Thanks for watching.